Met her on my way to Chicago, where she was all alone. And so as I asked her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was real into me.
She said she didn't have no man, paid to get the very best she could. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't you didn't have no one. She said just to get enough wage of 59 and was to go easy. She lied to you, lied to me, 'cause she was loving me, yeah.
I never would have thought she was living like that. Her words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels.